your son was right. In October of last year, Washington State Trooper Nathaniel Dawson pursued a car that violated a traffic law. When the car stopped, two gunmen began shooting at Trooper Dawson.
It's Nathan, not Nathaniel. Nathan, that's my son.
Despite heavy fire, Trooper Dawson got out of his vehicle and fired back until the shooters ran away and were later apprehended. They were very dangerous criminals. Our streets are safer and our criminals recoil in fear because of brave officers like Trooper Dawson, and I want to thank you. Come up, please, Trooper Dawson.
That's my son.
Wow, it's a great honor to be here tonight. Thank you all for coming, Mr. President. I think we all would say the same. We're just doing our job, and to be recognized is just extra. So thank you again.
These people have a lot of respect for you. They don't sit down when you're up here. Huh? They have a lot of respect, right? That's great. Beautiful.
It's here, it's here, it's here. I'm going to show you my brand new tool. 7-inch Cuisinart. There we go. I'm trying to get this in the light so you can see the model number. I guess that's not going to work, is it? There we go. 7-inch. That's for my egg fouillon right there. That's the difference. This is my 10-inch pan. And hold on one second. Oh, there you go, right there. All right, this is my Tramontina. This is my this is my 8-inch pan. They say this is 7, but maybe it is. But that's going to be the perfect size for the egg fouillons right there. Oh, and I'm working on a much better recipe. Yeah, those are socks on my counter. I'm working on a much better recipe for the gravy that the gravy that goes on the egg fouillon. This is pretty complicated. I mean, a lot of work. I watched a guy make it. He was a real Chinese guy, and it was a little hard to understand his English because he was Chinese and he spoke his English with a British twist to it. So I had to listen to it several times. But anyway, I may try this to make a real, genuine Chinese brown gravy for the egg fouillon. But I'm really excited to have this new pan. And next time I cook egg fouillon, somebody is going to eat it besides me.